We have been in such crazy, intense times in 2020. They've been so stressful as a collective and individually as well. And we live in a world where we're constantly doing, and we value our success on how busy we are. We kind of have these feelings of shame and guilt for actually slowing down and giving yourself time to rest. And really, that is what we need. We need rest, we need time to restore, time to replenish, and time to look after you. Because if you aren't feeling good, if you aren't healthy, if you aren't embodying all parts of yourself and really living from that innate nature that we're meant to live with, you're not going to thrive out into the world. You're not going to show up the best you can. So that's why we created Bring Yourself Home, a day immersion just to rest, restore, replenish, and bring yourself back into your body.
So if the last 6 months has taught us anything, it's that we really need to start taking care of ourselves mentally, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. So in this one-day immersion, we'll be giving you the tools so that you can help create balance in your life back at home. We'll be exploring embodiment techniques like yoga and meditation. We'll be giving you good food that nourishes the nervous system. And we'll be delivering workshops that work on self-care, embodiment, spiritual alignment, and so much more. We would really love to have you, and it's really time to bring yourself home.